Hello? Hello? Oh, if you're hearing this, you made it to night 2. Great work. And I'm sure you've noticed these old animatronics sitting in the parts and service. Those are from previous locations in America. I think one of those restaurants are called Fredbear's Family Diner, Barry's Wonder World, and Chica's Party World. I don't know where did they come from, but they're not still moving around, they're just not doing anything. Except for the dog and the rabbit, because you already saw them that they were... I'm not gonna answer that for you, because that will be uncomfortable for you. Anyway, do you remember Fleagle? Yeah? Okay, listen, I don't think the doors will cause Fleagle to leave. To make him leave, use that child audio. And for Amy, use that child audio on her too. It'll cause those two to leave. And as for Juba and Bonbon, if you don't see them in the dark, use a door light. If you see them coming to your office, shut the door on them. And I'm sure you'll have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
That's it? That's all he's gonna tell me? Okay then. Bad adults must be punished.
Who wants candy?
The hell? Who was programming them to say that? Huh? What the was that? I don't think it's coming out there. I think it's coming from the Ah! Oh. It's just a plushie. How did this plushie get here? I don't know who this plushie belongs to.
Hello, Mr. Security Guard. Like we promised, we're back on air.
We've been waiting for so long for this chance, and now it's finally here.
Oh I forgot the audio to lure them away.
Hi.
Okay, I already know 4 of them already left the stage. Aw, come on, buddy. Don't close the door on us.
Yeah, we just want to talk with you.
The hell? Where'd they go? Okay, they're not there. Not there. Not in the server room. Not there. Not there. There he is. Now time to find Amy. She's there too! Oh. Okay, I don't know what they're doing. I think they were chit-chatting, but that's normal. Are they gone? Okay, good.
Hello?
I wonder where that child can be hiding.
I don't know, Figo, but we had to keep searching.
Wow, I can't believe they fell for it. They thought there was an actual child in here. Anyway, I'm gonna find Jumper. It's a banana split special!
If me and Droper didn't get you, our friends will. I'm getting tired to stay in this room.
Yeah, I know that.
Wait, it's already nighttime. Chris, now's your chance. Bust the door open.
Oh, right, okay. What? Whoa! Everything was changing. Bob, you weren't lying. Everything was so painted and everything.
Yeah, see? Told you everything was changing into an ice cream place. They had to remove stuff of the characters that they weren't even here, and added some new stuff of the characters that they were from the kids' TV show.
Oh yeah, they actually did.
Oh yeah. Also, where were you two at since you were crawling to the vents? Nothing, actually nothing. We're just exploring around this ice cream club. Okay.